This is chapter 5, section 1, number 69. They want the solution. When they say solution, what does that mean? That means if you have a derivative, they want the original function g. That's what it means to find the solution. Why is it a solution? I'll tell you why. If you find g of x, you plug it in here, and it should equal the right side. Therefore, it's a solution. It's something you plug in and it works. That's why finding the solution means finding g of x. So how am I going to do that? Well, to do that, it's going to be the antiderivative of g prime of x, which means it's the integral of this. And I now have a problem. I don't know how to get the antiderivative of that. So you do some algebra and just distribute that to rewrite it, and then it becomes pretty easy. So it's going to be 7x to the 7th minus x. All I did, this times this is 7x to the 7th. And this times this, the 7's cancel, leaving just an x. So here we go. I use the rule. I add 1 to the exponent. And whatever I added there, I divide by that. I add 1 to the exponent and divide by that. So again, we're doing opposite derivative. Derivative, you subtract 1 from that, right? So the antiderivative, you add 1, there's the 8. And in the derivative, you move that in front. In the antiderivative, you divide. Same thing here. There's a 1 that you don't see. You add 1 to that, you get 2, and you divide by that. And we're almost done. We're told this. So I'm going to plug in 1 and set it equal to 2. It's going to be 7 times 1 to the 8th over 8 plus 1 squared over 2 plus c should equal 2 because they said it equals 2. So that's 7/8 plus 1/2 plus c equals 2. I get a common denominator. That's going to be 4/8. It'll be 11/8. I need to subtract 11/8 from both sides. I get a common denominator. That's 16/8 minus 11/8, which gives me 5/8. So I now found my c is 5/8. So I'm going to plug in 5/8 here. So I'm going to copy and paste this because Yoshida is lazy. Copy, paste. But in place of the c, I put 5/8 that I found, and there's the answer.